Good afternoon once more. So this is SEM Rush. It's basically it's basically for SEO research on keywords. What's the right videos to make? What's the right blogs to have? So I can't go through it all, but there's quite a lot in it. Let's go to features, which we're on. So get started for free. What's happening there? So pricing. Yeah, it says 100, so disregard all this. Business 500 a month, Guru 250, 130. So we disregard it. You get it free for 30 days, and you get 5 projects, that'd be like 5 websites, 500 keywords to search, 10,000 results per report. Good for PPC, which is pay per click, running Google Ads, Facebook ads, research tools, competitor analysis. So, say you had, I don't know, I mean, you're pro in OLSP, easy for me to say, and then you maybe look at Love Good or something like that, a similar type of business motto. So, motto. Speak to the keyword research and then backlinks and all this sort of thing. Resources. This is just within their business webinars that could help you. So not really looking at that today. Company, and that's just see affiliate program interest for me can apply to make money by promoting their business, and that's careers, newsrooms. It's not relevant unless you want to apply for a job with them. Extra tools and all that sort of thing. So you can take a look at that. So let's go into the nuts and bolts of the thing. So this is SEO. So why don't we just put in my website, promoting it, but as my video, give value first.com. For me, it's not just a domain name, it's the whole way things should be done. So search, and this will give you data on your own website. Yeah, so authority score, and then the backlinks is 2,900. So that all that means is what websites people went to that's end up referred to my website. So there's about 3,000 traffic from that, referring to names 63. It's just other websites, so that's good. From 3 keywords, that's quite impressive. 0% from the US, it's just 100% from all over. So if you're reviewing my site, you can get a full report. And these are from my blogs and things like that. Organic positions, it's all organic. I don't do ads on the website. I could, it's part of our business model. I've done for you blog. I've only done a wee bit. I'm not a blogger, so it's not like my main focus. And then it's so here's question backlinks here. It's quite interesting. From some of the forums, so part of blogging is going to forums, and then that has got some traffic. David Mitchell, that's me, and that's my blogs. It just basically gives you all the data. So what you actually could do if you're watching this video and you've not got if you've got a business rather, when you just happen to reviewing this site, you could actually go on these websites, and if it's a forum, then you could join up and do the same thing, right? And leave your link if they permit it. Some of them they like to do a signature, so you pay for it, and it leaves the link in the body of the email. So you could do that. I mean, look at other ones. the web hostbiz.com and sadit.net, Rankist.com I've not even heard of. You could go on these sites and contact them. Some of them might even be agencies, ad agencies that you could um, get them to run ads if some of these places are ads, and you could actually contact them and pay for them, and it might be if that's getting traffic for me, and it could get traffic for you. Right. So say you're doing OLSP or some other make money online niche, and then you type in it's getting up and coming, I suppose. This site, Live Good. Don't think I've done that right. I think that's the URL, livegood.com. Just put that in. Volume 20. Different stats here. Some I don't even know what they mean. Mostly from the United States. That's their keywords. Surprised they don't actually have misspell in the front end that they say this is something that's not. There isn't really a lot of data, and I've started a website. I've got more data, so it's do something else. olsp.com, see what they're all about. The thing you want, you can be found out. These, or join this. This is amazing, sort of thing. And it's maybe not as they claim it to be. So just try and think of something. Amazon.com. Yeah, so there's got the stats and things like that. Also, huge company. Mostly just Amazon related. Just trying to think of a website that we could look up. Let's see. Okay, maybe black there. So RyanHildreth.com. He's one that makes a lot of money from YouTube, and here is a cash flow challenge reviews. I know he promotes that and gets some quite impressive figures, different areas. So here's RyanHildrethScammer.com. So even people go on this site go on to Ryan Hildreth, so they don't really believe that that's true. So even negative things can be good. So so here's someone who likes Ryan Hildreth, 10 top entrepreneurs to follow. So you can maybe go on there and contact them and say, well, I also like Ryan Hildreth. What about having my link or whatever? So you can actually use these backlinks to contact them and just go through them. And he doesn't have a lot of backlinks, but he gets a lot of traffic, so that's good. So that's how you can really use SEMrush competitor analysis. I would really sign up to a lot of these guys that are making money and get emails from them because you'll be on their list, and then see how they write emails. You're not just going to copy and paste, but the type of things that they're saying, the type of science that they use, and things like that. So that's two of the things that you can actually do. And then this is, I won't go through all this, but organic research. This is just the type of traffic that they get. So it's just like studying it and then doing a lot in August, and all of a sudden it was, and it's been growing since August. It only goes up to a certain point, and then go into the keywords of what it actually uses. I mean, not a lot of people know this, but you would never rank for cash flow channels unless you were Ryan Hildreth, because it's fallen. But when you put review, it's very few people actually do that. That's why I do these videos. Um, so that this is us done just a wee bit of it. You can see what kind of keywords are doing. It's really competitor analyzing what others do. But also doing this sort of thing, you need a product. So what's the best product in the market? In the description is my #1 recommendation. I do urge you to take a look at it and SEMrush, and we hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.